guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing wonderful and I hope everything's good in life for you guys. So for today's video, whoa, did you guys feel that? Oh, it's winter coming. Sorry, I tried to be like, oh, I gotta chill, you know, trying my best. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorite holiday simple glam. That's about the gist of it. Let's get glammed, let's get dolled, let's do it. Oh my gosh, I look terrible. I don't know, I always feel like I look awful whenever I start these videos, but at the end, I look like a changed woman, so. I bought some new clips. Did I buy them just for this video? I don't know, but look how cute they are. Like, are you kidding me? Heck yeah. I just straightened my hair, so hopefully it doesn't like mess up my, give me like the little like dents, you know what I'm talking about? Like the little like clip dents. Oh, I hate those. Oh, these are actually kind of cute. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Even Steven, close enough. This one's longer. We're just gonna have to pretend like it's not longer. Just some soft brown tones. And now, you know, like in Stream Makeover Home Edition, like if you used to watch Stream Makeover Home Edition, how they'd be like, move that bus. Now it's time to cut that crease. No? It's coming back. Watch it. I need a closer mirror. I can't see anything. Well, like, I need to see like up close. Does it irk people that I start with my left eye instead of my right eye? Because it irks me, but for some reason I can always do my left better than my right on first try. Wow, the first eye came out so nice on first try. Now I feel like I have so much pressure to do this eye. Shoot. Alright, here's hoping. I'm all examining this eye to make sure it comes out the same. We're off to a shaky start. I take it and I just dab on the glitter glue. Dab it all the way around. I like to let it dry just a smidgen before I really go in. And for my glitter, I'm gonna be using this color here. I've literally had this Kylie eyeshadow palette, like, I don't know, I think it was like her first holiday palette. I don't know. I've had it for forever. Oh, I got a message. Anyways, I've had it for forever, and literally the only color I used for forever was just this color. But now I use this glitter, and it's, boy is it gorgeous. I mean, yes. Kylie, girl, if you watch this, if you want to send me your new holiday palettes, I wouldn't be mad at it. You know what I mean? I'm just saying. I wouldn't be mad at it. I don't know if I want to do eyeliner over this. I feel like it looks so pretty, like as is, just as like a nice little soft glam, but I don't know. And then again, don't hate me, I come through and I blend the brown in. Cut creases for life, baby. Oh yeah, I'm here for it. I think I am gonna do eyeliner. I think it'll just seal my look in. Gorgeous. I'd never done this look before. I had it in my head, and then of course my first instinct was like, let's film a tutorial for it, even though we've never done it. Okay, eyeliner is done, baby. My favorite part of my routine. I swear I'm not like, I swear I didn't take like hour-long breaks and then it's like dark now. It's just got really cloudy all of a sudden, so that's great. But I'm pretty much done. I think I'm gonna do my face makeup and then I'm gonna do my mascara next, so. I feel like that's too pink. I never wear lipstick that's pink. I don't even really wear lipstick, so this is a lot for me. Let's darken that up. I know, it is a lot for me, but I kind of like it. It looks a lot brighter on camera, but off camera, it's a little bit more like sultry, rosy red. That's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my little, well, it came out a little bit more glam than I intended to, but hey, you know, that's how it goes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye! Oh, remind me to never kiss the camera again. Don't ever let me kiss the camera again. Okay, bye!